What was it like actually meeting RDX and touring the world with them?
Yeah, me didn't know them long time, but I think we linked up to voice a dub for a clash at the time. I can't remember which clash. And it's in that voice in there. They just did girl make your body jump, 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 jump. And it never out yet. So after we done do the recording there, him say, yo, Rush, hear this. What do you think about this? I'm gonna say, yo, this is the weirdest song I've ever heard in my life. So I said that song is weird, but it's bad, but that song is weird. And I was the first person to play it on the radio. Take it, take it and go play it on the radio. Because I say, yo, that song is bad star. I don't even know if anybody played it in the street before me. I don't know, but I know I was definitely the first to play it on the radio. And there was just two dudes that, similar to me, used to live in New York for like a portion of them career and, outliers, we're very, we kind of hold our own lane in the game. We're never really in the mix of everything all the while. We kind of just hold our own lane. With enough things we did us connect with. And we just start turn bridging first of all. It wasn't really about, boom, they looking a DJ and nothing like that. We did just start par. That's a natural progression. So, big up to RDX, man, because, Dello and Renegade introduced me to a lot of the places that I ended up making my own. We are the biggest DJ outside of Belize, in Belize. But they brought me back to Belize. I went to Belize twice before them. 2006 and 2007, I went as Code Red and did Murder the Dance. But then, as you know, I stopped playing music in 2008. And that stopped a whole heap of things. So they brought me back to Belize in 2013. And I murdered the dance. You see me? And them first stepped me to Nicaragua. And then I've been back like twice after that. They introduced me to Guyana. And I've been back to Guyana multiple times after that, etc. So to all of the DJ them out there, because enough of the times, the show them is not one artist. So I would go there as RDX DJ for the first time in a new territory and book up in another international act with their local DJ. And them does that for look girl. Look girl and get a nice hotel room and collect a pay and send them the on plane. Me not dep on that. Me cut all dub. And me tell the man, them say, yo, Dello Renegade, man, go they go murder that, And the man say, want you, man, Rush, make sure you kill. In fact, it got to a point where RDX wouldn't perform unless I played directly before them. So I couldn't play in a DJ segment, and then there's the artist segment, and they might be the closing act, because for them song them were phenomenally huge. Like I've seen RDX draw 15 and 20,000 crowds over and over. And
RDX.
The biggest shows, I've been around the world with enough artists, and I've been on many, many shows with as Rush, where other artists did it, and I've never seen crowds like them. You see me? I've been on a show in Belize with Popcorn, and that was a huge show too. And I've seen huge shows, but the RDX shows were still bigger. Like huge, like Guyana, like huge, like thousands and thousands, and like ridiculous. So them wouldn't play. So they might be the closing act, and the DJ segment might be earlier, but I had to play after the artists that performed before them. I have to play, and I always ended up playing an artist segment. Because them say, yo, Rush, are you for play? Because when me done with that, me kick out dance. Me not play dance for just go there and say, boy, yeah, me play and me get too little forward. No, me not depend on that. My pedigree come from Code Red days. You see me? I said, when we flatten dance. And I learned from the best on the stage, which was Blade. So when I start talking for myself, I emulate. You see me? Him and a little bit of Scorpion. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of him, a little bit of them. But Murder the Dance them, and they open terror. Like when we Murder the Dance, them always step up my number and say, yo, dog, we had the next, in 3 months we have a thing, and blah, 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 blah. So there are a lot of the reason why I've toured so much of South America and Central America on my own. Because I would have shell a dance and then somebody from Panama or somebody from Costa Rica or somebody say, yo, me hear about that youth there, or me see the videos for that show there. We can't get the artist money yet, but we can get a selector money forward Rush. I got them on myself and stuff like that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.